Let's start exercise 7b. This is V1. Question number 1. V1 simply you can write 8i. So 8i, if I give a bit of explanation, 8i plus no j's, 0 j's. In other way, 8 times what is I mean? 1 0 and 0 times 0 I. So this is the uh, explanation for it. So 1, 2. Then V2 we can write 9i. So go to the selected 9 and go to up 3 j's. So it's making like 9. This is I times 9 and this is j times 3. Number 3, V3. V3 we can write minus 4i plus 2j. So you are going to left and then up to. This is the vector. So basically 1 0 you are multiplying by minus 4 and 0 1 j1 you are multiplying by 2. So V4 that is 3i plus 5j. So 3 to left and 5 to up. So this is the resultant vector. So if I expand this one, this is I times 3 and this is j, no I is 1j with 5's. And V5 is going to be minus 3i minus 2j. It means we are going to the direction minus 3 and 2 down, and this is the direction. So this is basically 1 0 and 0 1. This is minus 3 times, this is minus 2 times. And the V6 you can see that is minus 5j. Another way, minus 5 0 I plus minus 5j. So 0 I mean 1 0 plus minus 5 times 0 1. A is 2i plus 3j. Question A. So we want to find 4a. It means 4 times 2i plus 3j. This is going to be 8i plus 4 times 2 8 and this is 12j. So a equals after you can see like this. 4a mean 4 times 2 3 which is 8 and 12. So you can look at like that as well. B minus b is sorry half a b, half a ex. Sorry. It means half a times 2i plus 3j. So when you multiply 2 times half a times 2 is 1i, which is I, plus 3 over 2j. A is 2 3, half a is half a times 2 3. This is going to be 2 times half and 3 times half, which is 1 and 3 over 2. Part C minus B, mean minus times 4i minus j. So this is minus 4i plus j. Minus b mean minus 1 times 4 minus 1. That is going to be 4 and minus 4 and plus 1. D 2b plus a 2 times 4i minus j plus 2y plus 3j. So 8 times minus 2j plus 2i plus 3j. So this is 10i plus j. 2 times 4 minus 1 plus a 2 3. So this is going to be 8 minus 2. This will make 10 and 1. B 3a minus 2b 3 times 2a plus 3j plus minus 2 times 4i minus j. So this is 6i plus 9j minus 8i plus 2j. So this is minus 2i plus 11j. This is going to be 6. 3 times 2 6. 9 plus minus 2. This is minus 8. This is plus 2. So then 6 plus minus 8 minus 2 and 11. OB minus 4 times 2i plus 3j and minus j minus 2i plus 3j. So this is going to be 16i 4j minus 2i minus 3j 14i 7j. This is minus 8. 2 times 2 3 plus minus 3 times going to be 4 6 plus minus 12 3. This is going to be 4 plus minus 12 minus 8. This is 9. Question number 8. Question number 3. 5a. 5 times 9, 7. 45 and 63. B minus half a c. A plus b plus c. 9, 7, 11 minus 3 and minus 8 minus 1. 9 plus 7, 20 minus 8, 12, 7 minus 3, 4 minus 1, 3. 12i plus 3j. To be 2 times 11 minus 3 plus 2 times e minus 8 minus 1 and minus 3 times 9, 7. So this is 22. This is minus 6 minus 16 minus 1 and plus minus 27 minus 21. Minus 2 minus question number 4. A and B given. It says that A plus lambda B parallel to I. So I is along x-axis. There is no y, j components. So j component has to be 0, because for this kind of one we have j component I alpha I beta j. But if it is parallel to I, then this beta j has to be 0. Then only it will become horizontal. So first of all, we'll find a plus lambda b. So a is 2, 5. plus lambda times b is 3 minus 1. So this is 2 5 plus 3 lambda minus lambda. So 2 plus 3 lambda and 5 minus lambda. 2 plus 3 lambda I plus 5 minus lambda j. There should not be this part exist. If this part exists more than 0, then it's going to be above or below uh, from I direction. So since a plus lambda b is parallel to I, 5 minus lambda b has to be 0, then lambda equal 5. Same as mu a plus b parallel to g. It means this is mu a plus b parallel to j. Then I component should be 0 because this is the vector. So we'll find mu a plus b vector first. Mu times a is 2 5 plus b is 3 minus 1. 2 mu plus 5 mu plus 3 minus 1, which is 2 mu plus 3 and 5 mu minus 1. So 2 mu plus 3 and 5 mu minus 1. So this is I and this is j. J is fine. We need j, but there is no I. I is in this direction. So 2 mu plus 3 should be 0 as 3a plus b parallel to j. Then hence 2 mu equal minus 3, mu equal minus 3 over 2. Question number 5a. C plus lambda d parallel to I plus j. Question number 5. C plus lambda d. First of all, we'll find C plus lambda d. 3 plus lambda times 1 lambda, so 3 plus lambda, 4 minus 2 lambda, 4 minus 2 lambda. In other way, I will write 3 plus lambda I plus 4 minus 2 lambda j. Now, these two are parallel. 3 plus lambda d and I plus j. This one and this one parallel. This is I plus j. It means this is I plus j mean 1 and 1. This is 3 plus lambda, which is the I value, and 4 minus 2 lambda. If this is parallel, 3 plus lambda equal 1 is wrong. 4 minus 2 lambda equal 1 is wrong. That's the wrong idea. So then what is right? This is parallel mean this angle should be same. So angle you can express of tan theta. So tan theta for this one. So this both angles are same. Tan theta is 4 minus 2 lambda over 3 plus lambda. And here tan theta is 1 over 1. And those two should be equal. 4 minus 2 lambda over 3 plus lambda equal 1 over 1. Basically without tan theta in normal standard words, so this is gradient. Change in y over j 4 minus 2 lambda 3 plus gradient. This is also gradient. Parallel mean gradient should be equal. So this is the scenario. So then 4 minus 2 lambda divide by 4 minus 2 lambda divide by 3 plus lambda equal 1 over 1, which is 1. 4 minus lambda equal 3 plus lambda. 3 lambda equal 1, lambda equal 1 over third. Part C, mu c plus d. First of all, find mu c, 3 o plus 1 minus 2. So this is going to be 3 mu plus 1, 4 mu minus 2. In other way, 3 mu plus 1 I, 4 mu minus 2 d. In other way, 3 mu plus 1, 4 mu minus 2. And this is parallel to I plus 3j. This is 1 and this is 3. It means 4 mu minus 2 divided by 3 plus 1. This gradient is equal to this gradient. 4 mu minus 2 equal 3 times 3 mu plus 1. So 4 mu minus 2, 9 mu plus 3. So this is 5 mu and this is minus 5 mu equal minus 1. C minus SD. C is 3, 4 plus minus S times 1 minus 2. So this is going to be 3 minus S and 4 minus 2 plus 2S. This is 3 minus SI 4 plus 2SJ. Then the ratio is 4 plus 2J, 3 minus S. Parallel to 2I plus J, 2I plus J. So it means 4 plus 2S divided by 3 minus S equal 1 divided by 2. So 2 times 4 plus 2S equal 3 minus, let me put this is X, otherwise this mixing like 5. 3 minus X. So 8, 4X, 3 minus X. So 5X equal minus 5. X equal minus 1. It means S equal minus 1. D minus TC. D is 1 minus 2. plus minus t times c mean 3, 4. So this is 1 minus 3t minus 2 plus 4t. So tan theta equal minus 2 plus 4t divided by 1 minus 3t. This is parallel to minus 2i minus j plus 3j. Tan theta equal 2 divided by minus 2. So then they should be equal. 3 minus 2, then minus 2 times cross multiply 3 times 1 minus 3t. This is 4 minus 8t equal 3 minus 9t. So t equal minus 1. Something wrong? Yeah, this is minus. And so this is going to be minus 2 minus. Then this is minus. So this is going to be plus. So then it is going to be 17. This is 17t. T equal minus 1 divided by 17. Question number 6. We want to find BC. BC mean BA plus AC. So BA, AB, we have BA mean minus 4, 3 and AC mean 5, 2. So this is minus 4 minus 3 plus 5, 2. So this is minus 4 plus 5 minus 3 plus 2, which is 1 and minus 1. I minus 3. Question number 7. This is OA and OC given. AC we want to find, then AC mean AO plus OC. AO mean minus 2i plus 4j plus OC means 7i. So that minus 2i minus 4j plus 7i. So plus 5i minus 4j. AP is 3 over 5 AC. 3 over 5 AC means 5i minus 4j. So this is then OP is OA plus AP. OA is 2i plus 4j plus AP means 3i minus 12 over 5j. It means this is 5i plus 4 minus 12 over 5j. So 5i 8 over 5j. Question number 8. So simply we apply to this equation 10k minus 2 times p means j3 equals c. This is 10 minus 2j. This is k minus 6 should be equal to 2, 5. 10 minus 2j. So this is, I'm not going to write with I, this is, there is a bad letter J. So this is going to be 10 minus 2j equal to, this is I component should be equal separately and j component should be equal separately. So then 2j equal 8, j equal 4, and k equal 11. Question number 9, a plus 2b equals a 3 minus 2 plus minus 2 times b minus 2. So this is going to be p plus 2q and minus q plus 2p equals 7, 4. It means p plus 2q I plus minus q plus 2p j equals 7 I plus 4j. To be equal to this one separately, then to equal to those two, I components and j components should be equal separately, otherwise it doesn't work. So it will create a simultaneous equation p plus 2q equals 7 and minus q plus 2p equal 4. When you solve these two equations simultaneously, p should be equal to and q equal to. Question number 10. A is 3i minus 2j and B is pi minus 2pj. And the resultant force is vector is a plus b, that is 3 minus 2 plus p minus 2p, that is 3 plus p and minus 2 minus 2p. So tan theta equal minus 2 minus 2p divided by 3 plus p, and this is parallel to see 2i minus 3j. 2i minus 3j, it means tan theta equal minus 3 divided by 2, or the gradient 2i 3j. So this gradient is minus 3 and 2, so minus 3 divided by 2. So those should be equal. So when you solve this one, which is minus 3, you will get p equal 5. When p equal 5, you substitute here, so you can get the resultant force 3 plus 5 and minus 2 times 5, which is 8, and minus 12.